India accounts for nearly 11% of global road traffic deaths. This crisis demands action and innovative technology to protect lives. Introducing the RCSS, Rotating Cockpit Safety System. New crash safety system, a revolutionary safety concept designed by next-gen thinker that transforms the way we think about the safety vehicles. In automotive industry, collision safety has stagnated over 30 years, despite achievements in seatbelts, airbags, and say electronic crash prevention system. The fundamental mechanic of collision protection remains unchanged. The crumble zone, seats, belts, and airbag are primary mechanical safety features in modern vehicles. During a collision, the human body experiences extreme deceleration, often exceeding 20 Gs. These rapid deceleration occur within a mass of zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.1 seconds, leaving little room for energy dissipation. The challenge lies in finding the way to extend the time and distance over which this acceleration occurs. A potential solution has emerged, the RCSS system designed to enhance crash safety. This innovative system features a horizontal cylinder compartment that houses the driver and passengers, along with essential controls. Under normal driving conditions, the cockpit remains stationary. However, upon sensing a collision, it releases to rotate around horizontal axis, converting translation kinetic energy into rotational energy. This mechanism allows for more gradual deceleration, providing crucial time and distance to mitigate the impact force. The design allows for independent rotation of driver and passenger compartment, enhancing safety further. Testing has demonstrated that both forward and backward rotation can reduce impact forces, although locking the cockpit during a collision results in more severe force on driver. The concept draws parallel to parkour technique where performance roll upon landing despite energy. Similarly, the RCSS aims to convert potential energy into kinetic energy, reducing the force experienced during a crash. Basic physics principle, particularly kinematics, support this innovative approach. Calculations reveal that RCSS design can really halve the impact force experienced by occupant compared to traditional vehicle. While occupant will experience centrifugal force during rotation, these are preferable to the violent oscillation experienced in conventional cars. The design aesthetics appeal is also consideration. Despite concern the safety innovation may compromise vehicle design, the RCSS can integrate into visual appealing models. A prototype design has been conceptualized, categorized as two-seater SUV hot hatch, demonstrating that safety and style can coexist. Extensive research has confirmed the novelty of design, leading to its patenting. The RCSS has the potential to save lives and reduce injury across vehicles. In conclusion, the RCSS represents a significant achievement in automotive safety, offering a promising solution to long-standing challenge of collision protection. Further research and testing are underway to refine this concept with aim of transforming vehicle safety and standard enhancing occupant protection in the event of crash. This innovative approach not only prioritizes safety but also embrace the aesthetic qualities that car enthusiasts value. The journey towards safer vehicle continue with RCSS leading the charge into a new era of automatic design and engineering. Thank you.